have a 928S4 that I'm putting back the spindles back on. They need to be at 60 pounds. And what I'm doing is I'm rotating the axle with, now that it's connected by the wheel hub, and rotating it to a specific spot. And then once I torque it down, I go ahead and put a red dot on it. And I thought it'd be okay to use one of my Porsche paint that I've had in the past, and use the 944 Turbo Red. So use that a lot, and just show that it's been torqued down to spec and know which ones I've done. And so that is I think an 8mm socket with a 60 pounds torque. And this one here, I'm pretty sure it's 300 pounds. I'll double check it. And the socket size, let me see, I think it's 32mm, because I had to go get one. I only had 30. So, and it was a 12 point. Wasn't super excited about 12 point, but that's all I could find. And I mean, I've seen some people put a crappy wrench on this and then try to drive and back it off. That seems like a good way to just strip out your bolt. I mean, it could be done that way using a torque wrench, but get an electric impact or air if you have enough compressed air, and just use that. I've increased my air velocity amount, and it's still just nice to have either an electric one with cord. Harbor Freight sells one pretty cheap. It's really solid, and I've gotten a lot of stuff out of it I never thought I could. And then the other is heat. So, but anyway, 300 pounds here, 32mm socket, and over here we got 60 pounds, and I'm down to my last one. So when you're tightening them down, you're gonna have to, it'd be really nice if I had a second person. I don't, so I always put on the emergency brake to loosen or tighten, and then I have to get back up and do it again and again. Now my torque wrench is a gear wrench, and it's pretty long, and it's digital. I like it so much better than the analog ones, because you can't hear it. Well, you're always, it's a lot easier to control. I don't worry about hearing the analog version where you kind of like have a snap or a pop, and this one just seems to be more controlled and higher quality with a beep, and it shows you what you actually put down to within a certain percentage range. So, and the beep actually gets higher as the closer to the range you set. So it's pretty slick, and it's the best torque wrench that I've ever bought. That's called, like I said, it's gear wrench. I bought it on Amazon. Really impressed with it. This is the dirtiest it's been, so I'm gonna have to clean her up. It's my baby. So anyway, this is the last one on this hub. I rebuilt them, and I think my last video talked about crimping the ends. I didn't really do the greasing part or show and install. There's plenty of those. But anyways, that's what I do, is I mark them so I know it's done, and somebody else that gets underneath the car knows it's done right as well. Thanks, bye.